Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Pam with you today. It's Valentine's Day and I organized a little surprise getaway. Javon doesn't know where we're going. I just told him to take a week off of work. So we are going to a very special place. I'm super happy I was able to get us a room. I've been looking at this place for about a year or so, and usually it's always booked out. I have to reserve months in advance. We got lucky this time, so I'm super happy. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna show you where we've been, but for today I'm just gonna quickly show you how I came up with this romantic grazing board for two, and yeah, enjoy the show. So for this grazing board I'm gonna use Salami Roses. If you want to know the easiest way how to make salami roses, go check out that video, guys. It's a minute video and you're gonna impress your guests for sure. So I'm using 2 salami roses. I'm using some grapes. You always have to have grapes on a grazing board. That's a must. I'm using old cheddar that I shaped into hearts with my little cookie cutter. I also have some mini cucumbers, strawberries that I've cut it in flowers or stars, however you want to call it. I also have little cherry tomatoes that I've cut it in a way to form little hearts. I have dried apricot. I have a pear. What else? Oh, pomegranate seeds. I have spinach dip made from scratch. I also have my caramelized onions. I have a little pate. So here what I'm doing is I'm cutting my brie cheese in half because we're not gonna eat an entire brie cheese. I'm just gonna keep the other half for later, and I'm going to use my heart-shaped cookie cutter to get a heart shape in the middle of my brie. Then I'm gonna place some pomegranate seeds in the middle to have this Valentine's theme going on. From there, I'm just gonna fast forward the video a little bit, guys. I have 2 videos that I'm gonna upload this week. One is on how to cut the strawberries in little star or flower shape, and the other one is going to be how to make caramelized onion. So stay tuned for those 2 videos, and for now, just enjoy the music. This is the Pear Cracker, guys. Carbs free, gluten free. What more can you ask? Just use it as a cracker. Put some brie, put some caramelized onion on it. You'll see. You'll love it. My board started to be full at this point, and I didn't want to leave out my chocolate dipped strawberries. So I started to pile up my strawberries on my cheese, which I don't usually do, but hey, you do what you can. I like to see grazing boards or boxes as little pieces of art. The boards or the box is the canvas. You are the artist, and you just decide how you want to place your items on your board, and whatever comes out is your masterpiece. So there's no good or wrong way of doing things here. It's really just up to how you're feeling about it. Final touch, flowers. You gotta have flowers, guys, on your grazing board. Since it's Valentine's Day, I decided to use a red rose and those little white flowers, which I forgot to name, but I'm pretty sure you saw them before, right? So this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. Can't wait to read your comments, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It would really help our channel grow. We appreciate having you here. We post twice a week, always food related. So if, like us, you're a foodie, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace, guys.